I'm at the doctor and monitoring has started. The girl is here. And you can hear her heartbeat at the machine over there. Sexy me. You have sexy stomach.
And I don't have anything sexy.
So, can you say morning, Phillips?
Money face.
What we doing?
We going to school.
Yeah.
A sexy neck.
A sexy neck. Go.
Yes. Sexy teeth.
Morning, Phillips. Morning, morning. Good afternoon and good night.
Morning and good night.
We are getting ready to go to school. Put your foot in.
First,
They're hearing you.
after I'm going to show you how, when I come back from school, I'm going to show you how to spell Adisizo and Tala.
Okay, you're gonna show them how to write on your board.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to spell it in the white.
Okay.
But after in the black, but first I need to spell it in the white and then in the black.
Okay, come.
And I'm going to
Come, sit.
spell Mama, but this is no
Sit,
more.
please.
It's going to be for Alice.
Okay, I see.
But that's going to be
Come.
enough of A, and then there is one A for you. So the Mama, I'm going to tell you something in your ears.
Okay. What happened?
I'm going to tell you something in your ears.
Okay, but let me do your hair first. You don't look pretty for school?
Yeah.
So Mama have to do your hair. Wait. Massage that oil in and then brush it. Let's brush it.
No!
Come on, you're gonna be late. You're gonna be late?
No.
Because you're not a late bug, right?
No.
We never late for school.
Because you go faster than others.
Right.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
when it's M and A, that's make ma.
Very good.
Like mama.
Yes. And when it's T and Y, that makes what? Yeah, like Tyler.
And when it's the B and A, that's make
Yeah.
like Papa.
Yes. And when it's the B and A, that makes what?
B.
B. B and A makes what?
B.
Ba.
Ba.
What did you just say?
Just a little bit.
What? Only a little bit?
Yeah. I regret the baby.
I can't believe you say you only love me a little bit. Oh, me a lot. You love me a little bit. And Mama is not accepting that.
I'm just right little bit 2 weeks and 7 weeks.
You love me a little bit 2 weeks and 7 weeks?
Yeah.
I'm still not accepting that. That's not good enough, sir. Well, guess what? Huh? Mama love you a lot.
And yeah, a little bit.
And you only love Mama a little bit? How can you only love Mama a little bit? That's not nice.
Yes, that's nice.
You think that's nice?
Yeah.
You think Mama deserves that?
Yeah.
What? Alright. Mama gonna send you to school and I won't come back to pick you up.
No.
Well, you have to love me a lot. Or else you're gonna stay at school forever and you won't see Mama ever again.
I want to see and I want to see you
Wait. You want to see me a lot?
Yes.
So that means you have to love me a lot first.
I know that means I need to love you a little bit.
No.
Yes.
That's not how it works, sir.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes.
Well, guess what? Mama gonna leave you at school forever.
No.
Well, you don't love me a lot, so that's what happened when you don't.
No.
Yes.
If I'm gonna do that, then I love you hard.
So you're ready to love me a lot?
No, I love you hard.
You love me hard?
Girl, don't say hard.
Girl, don't say hard. What does girl say?
Only
So
boy.
what does girl say? You're funny. Well, guess what? Mama is going to buy. Guess what? Mama going to buy pizza for dinner, and you're not getting any because you don't love me a lot.
I love that.
Too late.
I love you a lot.
Oh, you love me a lot now. Why? Why you love me? Because you want pizza?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah.
You say you only love me a little bit, so Mama only going to go get pizza for she and Papa.
No. I want one.
Oh, so guess what?
Because I love you hard.
You have to always love Mama a lot.
I love you. I love you. I love.
Because you want pizza?
Yeah. I love you. I'm gonna get pizza.
You're funny.
No.
Yes,
I love you a lot.
you sure?
Yes.
Sure?
That's a big truck. I love you a lot.
Okay, I see.
So I want to get pizza. Because
I will not be cooking. When babe gets home, we're going to pick up pizza.
I'm ready before you.
Okay.
I'm
going to
ready
pick up pizza for
before you,
dinner.
So you, no pizza. Only for Papa and me because I win.
How are you now say? Okay, my mother.
Mama, no pizza.
Why not?
Because of me, I win only for Papa and me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna eat all of it.
And don't give me any?
No, and Papa gonna eat all of it.
Where's the money that you're gonna use and pay for the pizza? Haha, who have the money? Mama have the money.
Mommy, me.
So when babe gets home, we're gonna go pick up pizza and I'm gonna grub and continue rest. So today is a resting, do nothing day. We drove to pick up pizza, and look, long day at school, I guess. He's knocked out just as we about to reach the pizza place. He's sleeping, and he just told me that, Mama, let's stop on the beach after we pick up the pizza. Well, that won't happen because he's sleeping. And the thing is, tomorrow he's not going to school, and he's off from school Thursday, Friday, because Thursday is holiday, and Friday something is happening at his school where the kids won't go to school. So he'll be off for 3 days. So that's okay if he's sleeping now. I guess he's just tired. Not naturally, when we take the car after school, pick him up, that's what happened. He falls asleep. Look at him. I'm a little sleepy. So babe gone inside to pick the pizza up to come back real quick. You guys, showing you a glimpse of what we got. We always get garlic cheese bread. All the time we get the same pizza and the same bread. So that's the bread. Let me show you the pizza. The same pizza all the time. Oh, that back is hot.
The one you like, we like.
Oh yes.
So why to change?
That's true. Say hello, babe. You haven't said hi to the face.
Hi guys.
And we're going back home because Mr. Foodie is sleeping. Jeez, hi faves. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it has been a busy morning for me. I'm having a cup of cocoa right now. I have 5 minutes to talk to you guys before I head out to catch the bus. This morning I am 35 weeks today. 5 weeks to go. So the start of my weekly monitoring starts today. So today is week 1. So every week as of this week, I have to go in for monitoring 1 day. So today is the first day I'm doing that. Tyler is on a little break from school. He's off today. Tomorrow is holiday, and then they're off on Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday weekend, and then he'll be back at school on Monday. So my little nugget and I is powering today, and he also have his doctor today. So we have 2 doctor appointments today.
No, I'm not a nugget.
We have 2 doctor appointments today. I have mine to go to first at 2 p.m. and then Tyler on to go to at 4:45, I think. However, baby's at work, and I don't think baby will be able to make it to my appointment, then go back to work and make it to Tyler's appointment. So I'm gonna go to my appointment alone, and then babe will meet me in the evening for Tyler's appointment. So yeah, we're about to head out to go to my appointment first and then carry on with our day. We had lunch. I woke up this morning and I get the house fresh because I know I wouldn't be home for the rest of the day. And yeah, my sweet boy is here. We're just having some Coca-Cola, and then we're heading out. You want some more?
Yeah.
Can you say morning to the face?
Morning face.
Where are we going?
We're going to my doctor first.
No, you're going to Mama doctor first, and then your doctor after. You're looking very handsome.
Let's do the race.
No, no race.
That's who's going.
No, no. I told you not
One.
everything is a competition. Take your time and drink your Coca-Cola. Did you say morning to the face?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. So we're having Coca. We just finished having lunch. Well, Tyler had his lunch while I was taking a shower, and I just have my lunch.
Fast, drink it before I win.
My child think everything is a competition these days. But anyway, baby girl is here. Let me show you the girl. She's here. There she is. Big and round as usual. I'm feeling really good this morning, but let's see how going on the road will treat me. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are doing all the wonderful things that make you smile and make somebody else smile. I love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Subscribe to our channel if it's your first time watching the Fam Bam. And we are heading out to the doctor. So see you guys later.
Look at it.
You guys, so now the doctor and monitoring has started. The girl is here. And you can hear her heartbeat on the machine over there. So it will detect if I'm having a contraction, or whenever she moves, it will detect everything on this machine and the paper will come out. So we're here. And Ella is down there doing this activity. You finished? Good job. How many are fine?
I find 4.
Okay, so there's one more. My baby's down there doing activity in this book. Hi faves, you guys. My monitoring is finished. Has finished and it went really
Mama?
good. Wait. Tella is here beside me doing activity. Monitoring went well, but she placed emphasis on me resting more. She said she's asking me to rest as much as I can. Don't lift up Tyler, don't run after Tyler, and take my time to do everything that I'm doing. She said she's asking me to do that for the next 2 weeks, and then after that, then I can do whatever I want. I'll be resting more, I guess. So that went well. I was having contractions, but little one, and then I have one big one. So she said that's okay. Monitoring went good. So baby girl is doing well. I have my next monitoring next week, so I'll have one monitoring every week. So yeah, that's the update on baby girl. We're here at Jen's house. That is why it's a different background. We're at Jen. She's doing some work with her employees in the living room, so we're just here resting until it's time to go to Tyler's appointment because it's close by Jen. So yeah, we're just here chilling.